Hi everyone, welcome to Caking at Midnight. Tonight I want to go over how to stack a cake, so let's roll that intro. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at caking_at_midnight. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. Okay, so let's get started. To stack your cake, you're going to need just a few things. I have my turntable here, but we're not going to use it. A level, some straws, and some scissors. So when I first started making cakes, we would stick your main cake on your turntable and stack up from there. But my turntable, although I do love it, as you can see, is not always level. So if your cake isn't centered on this board, it's gonna lean and it's not gonna give you a true level playing surface. So when you go to stack your cake, take it off your turntable and make sure you're level on a level surface. So the level that I have doesn't have any magnetic parts on it. It's just a plastic level that Josh got for me. But make sure that your cake is fairly level to begin with, and that'll help you when you stick your straws in. So this one, I am off just a little bit on the side. We're good from there. So we're a little low on the one side. So you can do one of two things. You can add a little buttercream to make it flat, or you can just work your way up. So off your turntable, go ahead, stick your straws in. So now that we have already checked the cake to make sure it's level or not, and then we're off a little bit, this side when we cut this needs to be a little higher than the others. Now my rule of thumb that I always usually do is have my scissors flat on my cake and go and cut that off. And this one we have to do just a little bit higher. Let's see if that works. Once you've cut your straws, then take your level again and make sure that you are actually level. Whoop. And we are. So you should be good to go as far as stacking the rest of the way up. I always like to stick a little bit of buttercream in here. Keep a little bit of glue. Just make sure you're flat. It'll squish down. Then you can go ahead and stick your top tier on. Now make sure he's where you want him or her. Now, once you've got that second layer or whatever layer you're on, make sure that you're flat again. You have to keep checking it. So there we're level, and we're not level whatsoever. But if I move it, it's just so ever so slightly off. So I always check it. So I'm just a little low on the buttercream on this side, but there's gonna be clouds there, so we're good. But you can use the same process no matter how tall you go. But you always have to make sure that when you're starting out, that your bottom level is flat. And I always take it off my turntable just to make sure there's not something in the way that's throwing me off. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section, and happy caking.